The outer layers fall away, no shadow left to keep. The surface clears of weight and pull. The heart grows calm and deep. What once concealed the inner glow now gently fades from view. The self stands clear, refined and still, in truth made fresh and new. The past and future meet as one inside the living now. No moment lost, no step to chase, no need to ask how. Where sequence ends and wholeness rests, the changeless truth is found. The spiritual self stands free and clear, unmeasured, vast, unbound. No clock divides the flow of being, no space defines the whole. The seen and unseen gather close within the quiet soul. All things are known at once and clear, no waiting path or gate. The truth appears complete and full beyond the sense of late. The past and future meet as one inside the living now. No moment lost, no step to chase, no need to ask how. Where sequence ends and wholeness rests, the changeless truth is found. The spiritual self stands free and clear, unmeasured, vast, unbound. The veil dissolves, the vesture clears, no seed of sorrow stays. The self steps free from turning worlds into eternal day. No limit holds, no edge remains, no question left to prove. The whole of life is seen as one in a single, steady view. Beyond all time, beyond all form, the highest truth is known. The path completes, the goal stands clear in you.